Hi class, welcome to today's math lesson. Today we're going further in our numbers to numbers 13 and 14. So count with me and let's get up to those two numbers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 is 13. And after 13 is 14. Ready? 13, 14. All right, so let's go into our problem of the day first. All right. I think this is a scuba diver, saw a treasure chest. She saw 12 coins inside the chest. Draw how many coins she saw, count them, and color them. Whoops. All right, so she saw 12 coins in there. So let's draw that 12 and see what it looks like, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you notice anything about how I drew my coins? Let's look. I'm drawing a box and then I've made them into a 10 frame. So I drew mine so I could kind of look at it like a 10 frame. I have a full 10 and then 12 was 2 more filled into the next one, okay? So there's my 12. All right, now I need you in your workbooks on page, whoops, not that page. On page 185, explore and explain. Whoops. All right. So what we're going to do is trace the number and then use counters in the 10 frame to see how many we have. All right, so let's look at our number over here in this tree. We're going to trace it. We have a 1 and then a 3. Well, this is our ones place. Remember from calendar, this first place value is ones. So we have a 1 there. And then over here in our tens place, that second place is our tens. We have a 1. Okay, so if we have a 1 in our tens, a 3 in our ones, that number is 13. Okay, so let's make 13 in our tens frames. All right, count with me and draw on your page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Remember that problem we just did was 12, so that was a 10 frame and then 2. So now we have a 10 frame and 3, so that's how we make 13. All right, turn your page, and we've got some mugs and some 10 frames. All right, what we're going to do is count the objects and then trace the number, okay? So remember, Miss Goen likes to cross them off as I count because we count one thing at a time. You can count with your finger or you can cross off like me, okay? Let's see how many we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 mugs, so we're tracing the number 13 down here 3 times. Remember, a 1 in front of that 3 makes it 13. Okay, let's go to the next one. We've got some bowls and some tens frames, so let's count those. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is our number. We're going to trace it 3 times. A 1 in front of a 4 is 14. Okay? Now the last one on our page doesn't have a number to trace, so we couldn't peek ahead and see how many we've got. We have to count ourselves and then write it. Okay, so let's look at these mugs and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, and how do we write the number 13? A 1 and a 3. So write it 3 times on these lines. 13. There we go. All right, before you pause me, we'll go ahead and skip. We're going to go to our on my own. You've got some more bowls to count and then write the number, but then the next two are the opposite. So they've got the number for us to trace, but there's nothing in the tens frames. So what do you think you're going to do? Your job is to fill in the tens frames to show that number, okay? So go ahead and pause me and then catch me on problem solving. All right, guys. So on the top, we've got some counters in a 10 frame. It says count them, say how many, and then draw more to make it 13. So remember, we count how many we've got, and then we keep going to make it the number we want, which is 13. And how do we write 13? 1 and a 3. So we want to make it all the way up to that number. So first, let's count. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that's not 13, so we've got to keep going to get to 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. Remember, when we're drawing on a 10 frame, we can't draw our dots anywhere. We have to go row by row. Once we fill a row, we can go to the next row. Okay, now let's look at the next one. We've got some more, but we want to count how many we've got, but then make it 14. And remember, 14 looks like this, a 1 and a 4. Okay? So let's count and then keep going. Ready? Ooh, I noticed something. What do you notice? We've got a tens frame right here, and there's no empty spaces. So what does that have to mean? This right here is already 10. When we see a full tens frame, we know that there's 10 already. But let's count and then keep going, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We were right. Go past 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. There's our number 14. All right, guys, let's take a look at your homework. Remember, we're focusing on numbers 13 and 14. Okay, so they've got an example for you with some baseball helmets. Under that, you're going to do, those are for lacrosse. Those are what you play lacrosse with. So you've got these in the 10 frames, and you're going to count how many you have and then write the number. On the back, same thing, but there's not a number to trace. You have to figure it out. All right, guys, good luck. I'll see your work on Schoology, and I can't wait to see how great you did with 13 and 14.